Ah, the Siberian crane, the bird that treats migration like a full-time job with zero holidays. Every year it flies thousands of kilometers from icy Siberia to warmer spots in India and Iran, like a winged tourist that refuses to settle down. It's tall, white, and elegant, basically the runway model of wetlands. But of course, it's endangered because humans can't let anything beautiful just exist in peace. The poor thing has to dodge hunters, habitat loss, and climate change, all while maintaining its VIP status as a sacred bird in many cultures. Honestly, the Siberian crane deserves an award for long-distance travel, patience, and surviving in a world that keeps making its job harder. Frequent flyer miles? This bird earned them before airlines even existed.